Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Voidling Bound game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Voidling Bound game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off or start a new game. In order to customize your controls, click on Options and now go into Mouse and Keyboard. Or if you want to change your controls for your controller, you can go into the controller option as well. You will also find the sensitivity settings as well as the inversion option for your axes. If you go into the General tab, you will be able to assign up to 2 buttons for the same task. To assign a secondary button, just click on the blank space. And once it turns green, you can press your desired button. In order to change the button that has already been assigned, just click on the key that is assigned currently. And once it turns green, you can press your desired new key once more. By following this step, you can redefine all of your keys within the game. When you are done, just go back and your changes will be saved. Now you can continue to play your game with your customized controls right away, and you may change it at any point of time by following the same steps, going into Options and then changing your controls from the menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Voidling Bound game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.